All right, Louis Porcino, Manover Market, and this is the December 12th midday update. So we started out like gangbusters again and went out and took out the highs, and we have a mini version of yesterday, but it didn't take all day to materialize. This is still in the March is jumping around. Uh, still probably trading the most volume today, but important. That it is jittery. It's jump around with lack of liquidity. Now, so we'll talk about what happened up on the top. We went out and took the Globex highs, took this out, came back down, went through the bull bear zone. I was doing a broadcast with Colin Palmer. Told him that didn't like the market if it stays below 220. Important enough to take a look at this purple line here, this 217, 218, which is the high, the 5 minute, first 5 minute range, and the low is 2011 half. Okay. When the market moves back inside of this, that's a good indication that the market's getting ready to turn, right? So, also, we got these little lines here, what we call the counter trend period, and it topped out once again at the counter trend period and headed south, failed to make a new high. So I put out on Twitter that our 5 minute pivot was sitting at 11 half. Also, and it had a target of four. Well, actually, we had a target of I believe we said six even, four and a quarter, and two and a quarter. Also, profile point of view, when you take a look at where it went down to, here's 1.5 times the IB range right there at 204, and so um, do I think the market's done? I think usually we like to get like 11, 12 points extension from the. I was looking at 201 for our 11, 12 points from the pivot sale. And then, the IB range is 1997. This is the selling, you know, right when let me show you that again. So I'm so skeptical of the selling. Right when we all say that's it, the market's done. These guys are going to turn around and they're going to do it in the next 2 weeks. Trust me, it's going to happen. 1997 would be 2 times the IB range. And also remember that these are March numbers now. If you're trading futures, you should be in the March. So that's you should know that. The other thing, like I said, I'm not. The day chart. Here's a day chart, and we're touching the 23.6% retracement at nine and a quarter. We actually have gone down now and made a new low. Um, you know, the next retracement level would be 38%, and that would be like 1969. I don't know. I think this is being driven by and it also would take our pivot out. I think this is being driven by rollover, and we'll see what happens by the end of the day. Um, I am I am net flat right now, and on the sidelines till this afternoon. Remember, I told you yesterday, if you make some dough, go sit on the sidelines so you don't give it back in these choppy markets. Uh, let's see. I'm trying to bring back my ES chart again. All right, here it is, the 5 minute chart. All right, so the keys right now is going to, if we get back inside of here, right, back inside of the 5 minute range, 13 half, the shell line's 13 half. That was the opening print. All right, pivot's way up there at 21. Pivot's way up there at 21. That could still step down, and the two could meet, and we could see if we get a rally bet at the end of the day. All right, that's all I got. I will be out of my office for a little bit, so I won't be updating. So mark it down 221. Also, that would mean it went through the bull bear zone again. All right. I'd be watching to see. If we can get back inside this opening range area, here's the low, 11 half, 13 half was the opening print, and 18 was the high of that range. All right, Louis Porcelino, man over market. I talked to you. Oh, one other thing is the Dow and the Nasdaq. The Dow, the Russell, and the S&Ps have been in a sell, and the Nasdaq has not, as its 5 minute pivot actually has not been in a sell. It's just sitting there. It's at a level and just sitting. So that could be indicative of the fact that we may be topping. The bottom may have been put in. All right, I'll talk to you later, and good luck. Bye.